God was protecting you while you felt you were being rejected. Remember that God has a plan for you. Don't be anxious. God is about to show you He is faithful. Trust God to save your situation. Your time is coming. Have faith. Once a man was asked, "What did you gain by regularly praying to God?" The man replied, "Nothing. But let me tell you what I lost." Sometimes the answer to our prayers is not gaining, but losing, which ultimately is the gain. God, I will trust you even in the unknown. Dear God, I want to thank you for all those things you do that I never see. Amen. Drop an amen if you are thankful.